Greetings to all the Igbo people around the world. When you see a leader, follow him or her, like, share and comment on his or her post for others to be enlightened, because you will benefit from his or her teachings. Today I want to offer a solution to end future demolition of Alaba International Market and other markets owned by the Igbos in Lagos. Say these two biggest markets in Africa, Alaba International Market and Trade Fair, to the Chinese government and start to pay rent to the Chinese government. Nobody touches the properties of a strong man. You must understand that a strong man is not measured by ranting and threatening people on the social media like the Igbos have chosen. If you sell these two markets to the Chinese government, use the money to do more trade, import, and pay rent to the Chinese government, nobody will ever hide in the name of any form to demolish any of these properties. This is the time for the Igbos to use their brain and stop all this social media noise. Social media is good to promote your businesses. Take off your private life and family issues to social media because nobody cares. You are only exposing yourself and your weakness. A person whose house is burning does not go for Thanksgiving or party. What is happening to the Igbo today was exactly what has happened to the Jewish in Europe. You cannot solve these problems by all these social media rants. During the Civil War, Igbos lost 3 million people. The world refused to talk about it because the actors were the victims. While during the Holocaust, the Jewish lost 6 million Jewish with the best and choicest property in Europe. The whole world condemned it because it was only Germans that committed the atrocity. And that is why today the Jewish are aggressive, because they don't want such to repeat to them again. The Igbos can learn from them by applying a proactive measure. Let's start with Alaba International Market and Trade Fair, because these two markets are the next target. How can you have billion naira market investment, yet you do not have a single fire truck? Innocent can manufacture a brand new fire truck for all of you. At least have a 2 minimum of this fire truck in each of these markets. Increase the security around the market. There are thousands of jobless Igbos on the street of Lagos doing nothing. Why not take them off the street and pay them to protect this market until you have concluded the plans to sell them to the Chinese government? Stop looking at these properties, because one thing is to have money, another thing is to protect it. It is time for Igbos to protect your businesses in Lagos and start a relocation plans, or you will lose your properties and your life too. You are the engine of these businesses, so if your properties are destroyed, you can still start all over again. And that is the reason you should put plans to relocate 70% of your businesses to the southeast and leave the remaining 30% for sacrifice in Lagos and in Abuja. I know many of you will say there's economic blockage. Yes, there is an economic blockage. That is why all roads to east are not passable, leading to millions of Igbo goods destroyed daily. But there's a solution. All of you can combine money and buy a tank cargo and open a haulage by waterway from Alaba International Market to Trade Fair. Ojukwu warned all of you, but you did not listen. Nnamdi Kanu warned all of you, but you did not listen. Today, I'm warning you again. So it is left for you all to listen or to continue to invest outside the Igbo land. The Igbo people, the most advanced people on earth, with the history of the first democratic people on earth, have abandoned their life, their land, to become a victim of oppression in a foreign land. People do not understand that the Igbo are like the Chinese people. Their interest is not to wage war against anyone. Their interest is to expand their business interests and create wealth for everyone. The Igbo do not believe in monarchy. That is why we hate one-man squad, because we don't like it. Our neighbors in the riverian areas have been told that the Igbos will dominate them, which have created Igbophobia within these communities. But this was a ploy by the North and the Yoruba to divide us, to keep stealing, and it is working. Look at what P2B, look at what Wike did to P2B. Now look at what Asari Dokubo is saying against his brother, Mazin Nandekano, just for his selfish interest, because they gave him a Muslim name and he thought he belongs to them. My question to the job, to Wike, to Asari Dokubo and other Niger Delta leaders. First question, ask yourself, why can't we have a resource control? Second question, ask yourself, who is kicking against the resource control? The Igbo, your enemy, or the Northern and the Yoruba, your beloved friends and brothers? Use your senses and stop licking ass to survive, you bunch of people. Money is not everything. Share this video if you like. If you don't like, it's your problem.